Oh, how you doing there, butts? Jesus Christ, to be working upside down boats. Got half off. 2 boats for upside down prices. It's crazy here at Willy Wonka's inventory sale. So what we got here from Newtonland. All these products from Newtonland. Thing is, it all smells like dirt fish in your mother's cod. You know what I'm saying, buddy? So, what I'm trying to say here is, we're open 7 days a week. Anything you need, any service you need, bring your mother and have a kitchen party. It's going to be a fucking good time, man. Willyz. That's done.